I go by the name of G5 like this. She got a nigga like ass fat like walk him down like pack loud like stay dangerous. Call it what you want, Ben Frank. Fuck something. Put your hands on that table, don't break, baby. Do it with no hands, she ain't even gotta touch nothing. I'm tryna make the bitch leave, but she keep coming. Chop her ass, chop it down, yeah, I'm on that. I'll walk him down, make him run that. Living the wrong life, but I made that wrong life.
Where are we going?
I don't even know.
You don't know where you're supposed to go?
I ain't saying none of that. Shit right here. Messing up my outfit.
It's messing up your outfit.
A little bit. I was color coordinated on purpose. White shoes to go with the white imprints on the pants, you know what I'm saying?
That's
Blank white tee, but then turn around, shit wrong as hell. I gotta dress
what you thought it was gonna be, a mid-drip gown, cuz? Yeah, I'm like, what is guy think he's wearing? How you doing? Are we getting hand stamps or anything, just in case I gotta go?
Are you walking with Jalen?
Yes.
We can both head up to the 4th floor. That's where all graduates and the person they're walking with are waiting.
All right,
Thank you.
I follow you, kid. At least they got AC.
Something like that.
Hi, Jalen. Hi, Jalen's dad.
What's that?
You wanna get cardio in or you wanna go in here?
We get steps in.
I get it in every day, so it ain't no.
That's what I think, yeah. You know, I'm running stairs at work all day, so my ankle don't hurt right now, so let's get it in.
Oh, sorry.
My hope is that you will continue to use scientific inquiry and exploration to find your way in the world beyond. Congrats again for your hard work to make it here today. During our 4 years together, I have been doing a little bit of a research experiment. The research question I explored was, what can I learn from my students? My data collection included mentor check-ins, whether official or unofficial. My data analysis showed that our time together went by way too fast. And just as any good scientist must do, I am here to share my findings with all of you. From Jaylen, I learned how to balance personal passions with amazing academics. Love you all. Good luck, your teenies. Go on to evolve the world around you.
All right, and now we present Mrs. Parker's Dratini Mentor Group. Carlos, Robert, Alberto,
Tiny Yayo got emotional, huh?
Bro, don't play with me, man. Damn.
It's all good.
I know.
I didn't tell you to buck up, you know what I mean?
La Conisqua.
That was pretty cool. You know, my kid, believe it or not, he's got extremely good grades. And he gets in trouble with me if he brings home C's. Now, it's okay, but it's not okay in my eyes. You do above average things outside of school, you cannot be average in school. So all of his grades are A's and B's. And he's been that way for a few years. I do not allow him to let anything be a C. In my eyes, that's just average, a little bit below average to me. And for a kid that does everything that he does in his spare time outside of school, inside of school needs to be just as good. So that's why student mentor said she learned from Jaylen how to
balance personal passions with amazing academics.
That's why, because I don't allow the bullshit. So, you know, that was really cool. He's graduated. He has to finish a couple more weeks of school because they require you to do that to get your diploma. But he is graduated. He is made a decision where he wants to go to college. I was thinking it was LA. He was saying it was LA, but he just recently decided that he wants to stay local. I guess we've got that option. So I'm happy. Matter of fact, this car, I bought this when he was 2, and it's been sitting here for 4 years. I wrapped it and I left it, and I really haven't even driven it. And it sat here a year or two before the last time I even drove. Like, look, it's just, wrap is peeling up. It's just been sitting here unused. So Jalen gonna stay local. Guess what we gonna do? We're gonna give him this car, but we're gonna get it perfect for it to be a daily driver for him. And this is gonna be Jalen's daily driver. Maybe even track vehicle, but super excited, very, very happy that he's done what he was supposed to do. His end of the bargain, his end of the deal has been held up and has been very stellar. So we will make this a super long video. That's just what it is. My kid did what he was supposed to do. That's why we give him all the experiences in the world that I can afford. He's a good kid and he does what needs to be done. That's why there's no track day video this weekend, but we're gonna pick back up, and obviously next weekend we're going to have another experience. Thanks for joining us, and we appreciate y'all's support. Come back to the channel, see the next track day experience, and just overall good vibes here, all right? I'm going to give y'all 2, because we out.